Alright, 1 2 my people. Let's get it on. So I've muted stream as usual. I only unmute myself when I have something to say, something to share. I see something special in the markets. I'm in a gold sell right now. I don't want to say it's too late to enter. It's only a more expensive entry, so to say. I have my entry here, as you can see. And I think this thing is going to drop much further. It has a lot of room to go. So my stop loss or my take profit is at 23.06. You can put it at 23.07 just to be conservative. Or just exactly at these lows. But market is probably going to go below these lows to sweep stop losses. There's a big cluster of stop losses just underneath this here. People that was buying up. So that's what we're targeting right now with this trade right here, and we'll see how it goes. On the bigger time frame, everything looks aligned for gold to drop there. So, and I'm looking for gold actually sweeping these stop losses, but also tapping into this fair value gap that we got here. There's a lot of liquidity resting here, big ass order block. So that's where we're at right now. If next thing I see, I will let you guys know. When it comes to Euro USD, by the way, I want to say some words on Euro USD. We might jump in a sell on Euro USD. I'll look for it now. I'm looking at a nice silver bullet switch that we actually had right there. No fair value gap though. I'm gonna analyze this thing a little bit, and then I'm gonna let you guys know if I'm jumping in on a sell. But it looks like a sell opportunity here. when it comes to Euro USD is that we had a nice fat ass order block up here, as you guys can see, and then we had a refined order block here on the 4 hourly. So of course I want a market to come up here. That would be like the ultimate entry. If the market would have come here, that would be like, yeah, like the ultimate entry, perfect entry. But it didn't. It tapped into this big ass order block and reversed. So, and I think it's gonna continue downwards now. We have taken out the EMAs on the bigger time frames, and now basically we are. So what happened now this morning was this pump that you see here is the pre-London pump, right? I want to see how market reacts now when London opens. If this truly was the pre-London pump, or if we will see more upwards action before we go into sell. But I'm not going to sell it right now, right here, because it's two conflicting signals on the shorter time frames. On the longer time frame, we're all good. Daily creating this nice downtrend. Broke structure here, but on the shorter time frame, we might see a deeper pullback into this fair value gap before we go further down. So I want to see that happen first before I say anything. So I will probably look for silver bullet entry on this one. And for y'all that don't know what silver bullet is, you need to check out the academy. It's free, no strings attached. Links are probably in the description below or in my bio or something. Join the Telegram community. No, I think I'm chilling with this one for a little moment. We'll see. Maybe this was the liquidity sweep before the London session. We'll see how this thing reverses. Gold should keep pushing down. Now as soon as London opens, maybe a little pullback. And then it should proceed. Let me see if I see something else here before London opens in 3 minutes. right, so while waiting for the market to make a move here, I'm gonna quickly explain True-Day. I got the question, so I'm explaining it. It's good that I think most people here don't know. If you're trading ICT concepts, then you know what it is. So True-Day is basically midnight, the first candle of the day, Eastern time, New York time. First candle of the day, and you mark it out from where it opens. Boom, bullish candle, True-Day. Now, why is this candle important? Why is this level important? Because market has a tendency, London opens, or before London, market goes, sweeps liquidity and pulls back to True-Day, to the True-Day level, and finds support or resistance there and bounces off. Like that is where you find where you see what direction market is going to go. If it smashes through it and starts, let's say in this case here, we are on the bullish side of it, on the buy side of it. Let's say market crushes through and closes below. Very, very big chance the market's going to keep dropping, right? That's like the true resistance or support that you want to see broken, or that you want to see hold. And it's always the first candle of the day, Eastern time, so New York time. And that is, for us in Sweden and Norway, it's 6 a.m. in the morning. So the 6 a.m. candle. And the opening of it. Here. Alright, let's continue to see if something happens here, man. It's hopefully not another dead day. Won't be so, because we got a lot of news today. If I remember it correctly, we got Wednesday. Yeah, we got a lot of GBP. No, sorry, it's tomorrow. Tomorrow we got a lot of GBP news and USD. All right, we keep watching. If we find some more entries, our gold trade is doing quite okay. And for y'all that took the EJ trade yesterday, all I can say is congratulations. You have a nice trade on your hands. Hope you didn't get stopped out. Came perfectly and tagged our entry. Had a very early entry on this one. This is a good trade in that is risk-free right now, and it's gonna do a pullback. Now we have a stop loss cluster that it just tapped into it, so it will do a pullback from here. We'll see how deep, because it started the morning with a lot of bullish momentum, so I think we might see a nice pullback here before we continue upwards, probably from this fair value gap that we got right here. Let's see if we can find it on a bigger time frame. Perfect. Yeah, so there's a big chance that we're coming down here. Not only because of the fair value gap, but because all of this here, all of this choppiness has created a lot of liquidity on the sell side here. So market will want to come down, sweep all these stop losses that is here, correct the imbalance of this imbalanced candle, the fair value gap, maybe even tap into this little order block that we have here. There's a lot of liquidity. Stop losses, fair value gap, and an order block here. So I can definitely see market coming down, doing something like this. And confluent there, as you guys see, we have the sweet spot zone. Always works. This will probably be a reversal area, and for anybody that want to add positions or buy in on this trade, this will present a buy opportunity here. Now we'll call it out when it's time. So speaking of True-Day, now you see market coming down, testing True-Day. If it breaks it, we are very bearish on this, on Euro USD. When I say break it, I mean closing below it. not only like tapping it down and then moving up, because we got liquidity resting here. So we want to see how market reacts to the sell side liquidity here from the Asian session. I'll even mark it out. Boom. I do not know why my templates ain't working, but let's do it like this. Yo, Mr. Ghost, I'm not sure, bro. My brother, I'm not sure. Yeah, Kike, Ghost knows it. It's a brother, man. He's very familiar with the HFTs. But anyways, the thing is like this. So when it comes to prop firms that allow HFT, what's happening now is that we used to trade with Cortana FX, and they were good. But then they started to mess with people's payouts, and they were always complaining at the or they were rejecting the payouts because of the consistency rule or because of the IP address rule. Mostly because of the IP address rule, and it's basically a scam. So, but here's the thing: I've started to because I still have accounts with them. I still have 150k funded with them. So I started to use a VPN. With a static IP address. So not a dynamic IP address, but a static IP address. So it doesn't change IP addresses. It's the same IP address all the time. And it works, or it seems to be working for now. So we will see. But I haven't made any bigger payouts or anything. So I will see. I will try it out now, and I will keep you guys posted. I will keep my TikTok community posted. I know y'all guys been following on this, and of course I will let you guys know in the Telegram as well, in our prosperous community, how it goes. Gold is starting to push down as it should. This trade is running beautifully. Euro USD, as you see, market is rejecting the true day. Very interesting. So I would love to see market come and take out the sell side liquidity here and just wick back up again. That would mean that we are in a bullish move. We have a bullish move ahead of us. But right now, market hasn't done that. And the buy side liquidity is up here. You always want to mark out your buy side liquidity and your sell side liquidity. Always. You want to know where it is. Because market will always target either one of them. Buy side or sell side liquidity from the Asian session. So here we can see that GU actually took out true day. So let's look at GU, because it's telling us that it wants to sell off, that it wants to dump. So what I don't like about this is that we are so close to the lows. You never want to take a sell when you're so close to the lows, all right? So this is why I'm not going to take the sell. Normally I would. If we would have been like up here or something, I would have taken it. But close to these strong lows here is a lot of liquidity resting here. So it's not worth it. We have this fair value gap down here. Market will probably target it, but with these lows, what can happen easily is that market starts to pump down a little bit and then pushes up. When it hits the liquidity here, it automatically triggers buy orders, so bullishness, and boom, market will jump up a little bit, stop us out, and then maybe continue downwards. It's not a good sell opportunity there. And remember, tomorrow we have a lot of GBP news, so we might want to start looking for what can happen and what direction market will take. I'm pretty bearish when it comes to GBP, but we'll see. So now market comes back, retests true value gap from true day open from below. It will probably continue downwards. We'll see how much though. Oh, my bad, Liz. Thank you for making me aware of it. Boom. That should be better. Yeah, Rio, exactly. I open it from, so I mark it from the candle open. So midnight Eastern time candle open. For me, it's 6 o'clock in the morning. When the 6 o'clock in the morning candle opens, that's where I mark it out. Not the wick exactly, but the opening of the candle. So the body. And for you, it's 7 o'clock then. Morning sunshine, Kadir, bro. What trades you got on your plate? I know you're seeing something. Honestly, I could be good with this sell already. Like, I'm good for the morning, but I want to find something else to, because this one happens so early. So I know most of y'all didn't have time to catch it. So I want to see if I can find something more juicy for you guys to dig into. I'm looking at my other screen right now, that's why nothing is happening on the screen here, but I'm looking at my MetaTrader because I have some indicators there where I see stop losses, I see the volumes. I just want to check a little bit what's going on behind the scenes. So what I can say is this: we have a lot of buy orders. EURUSD, let's go back to EURUSD, boom. We have a lot of buy orders that are resting. Let me check this. Here's a lot of buy orders. Probably this order block here that caused this push. So we'll see how the market handles this. In the meantime, gold is doing fantastic. In the meantime, we can break down BTC. I know a lot of people are wondering about crypto. So first and foremost, I just gotta brag a little bit. I said market would hit this level, and it hit it spot on, man. It's almost sick how spot on it hit it. What I was looking at was this fair value gap that we have here on a weekly time frame, and then I zoomed in to refine it on the 4 hourly, and I found this midterm block here, this order block. The market loved it, respected it perfectly. We had a confluence of the 50%. So what is happening now is that we rejected that level. Let me clean up this chart a little bit so we see things clearer. Let's see this, we can remove it now. Even this thing here. Yeah, so you even see my mark out. So I marked out that market would come up to these levels here, and then proceed to drop further down to this order block that we have down here, to around 61.8 Fibonacci level, retracement level, when you take the whole swing from 30,000 up to the all-time high, 73,700. And the pullback at 61.8% is basically what I'm targeting. I'm targeting this order block here. Now, market had a nice rejection here from that order block that I showed you guys previously, and it's now pulling back a little bit. And the thing is like this is a weak high because it didn't manage to take out this high here. So if market now taps into this fair value gap and pushes up and takes this out, yeah, then I think that we're done with this pullback, and we're going to continue to new all-time highs. But there's a big chance the market now dips lower into this order block and basically liquidates all the buy pressure, grabs the liquidity and starts pushing forward. We'll see. There's a lot of untriggered orders here, buy orders also laying here. But then on the other side, what's going on is that we still have a lot of inflow, a lot of liquidity coming into BTC. It halted for a while, but it has picked up again, and therefore, yeah, we'll see. Let's see if we can get this one to work. No. Why are these sites not working? Alright, man. I'm gonna let the music go because I know that Liz loves it, so I'm gonna let it play for a little while while I look at the charts and see if something pops up. I cannot see anything in particular right now. Enjoy it, Liz. I know you're vibing it. A small tip to you is get up and dance. Good energy. Positive energy all the way. Selling GU right now. Here's my stop loss. This is the risk. I'm gonna mark out the take profit in a couple of seconds. Just gotta get this trade in. I will explain also why I'm selling it in a few minutes. Lägg 2 lots. Vet du vad? Lägg 2 gånger 2. 2 positioner med 2 lots varje. Talking to my brother right here next to me, if you're wondering who I'm talking to. Yo, Liz, why so negative, man? Don't hate, only love. Mindset, right? All right, so GU, why am I selling it? First and foremost, we broke below the true day, all right? And this is not going to be a long trade, or like it's a couple of pips. It's basically a scalp that we take in here. That's why we have a stop loss of 6 pips. So a stop loss is 6 pips at 1.24910. You can put it evenly. And why I'm selling it is because, let me see where the level was. There it is. Boom, 1.24650. Okay, so we have a massive stop loss cluster, and it's massive. It's like 3% of all stop losses are here. 650. I think it was right. Yep. So it's even down here. And this is a quite aggressive trade. So what we're doing here is we're moving stop loss to break even quite quickly. But anyway, here we have a stop loss cluster. Okay, that's our take profit. So our take profit is 1.246. Let's put it at 660 just to be safe. Spreads and all of that good stuff. So like I said before, it's a dangerous zone to sell in because we have a lot of liquidity resting here. But that's exactly the liquidity we are targeting right now with this sell here. We're targeting this liquidity. The trade just got too juicy for me not to get into. Everything was pointing at sell. Also the market sentiment points at that very strongly. So therefore, and what I mean with the market sentiment is that everybody's buying. Most 69% of the market sentiment is buying from here, which means market makers will push it in the opposite direction and liquidate those buyers. And this is how you got to trade the market. You always want to be against us ourselves, us retail traders. Want to do as the market makers does. Follow their trails. So this is what we're selling. So we're just taking a quick one. Might go deeper, of course, but we just want to take this quick scalp here. We're in and we're out. Maybe we find a buy opportunity after that, but this is what we're doing right now. So we have 2 sells. Gold that is running beautifully. Massive in profit so far. Or massive, but it's a nice profit. We have 50 pips in profit so far. I know me and Rio are celebrating. I hope more people of y'all are celebrating. We have our Euro JPY trade from yesterday. What did I say? It will pull back from here. Stop loss cluster, always. And everybody that took it from yesterday is in profit. if you didn't buy it expensively on a premium and got this stopped out. But if you entered when I entered on the live session yesterday, then you are definitely in profit. And that's it. That's the 3 different trades that we are keeping our eyes on today. Oh, EURUSD did what I said it will do. It hit sell side liquidity and wicked back. We'll see what happens. But if this 50-minute candle closes below the true day, then EURUSD is also bearish. On the Euro GBP, we see that right now it's Euro that is the bullish one, but it's about to turn. Yeah, doesn't matter so much right now. Our main concern is GU, gold for those that are in, and Euro JPY for those that are in. So guys, take profit. I'm saying it again because I'm gonna wrap this stream up. Take profit on the gold, on the GU sell is 1.24660. If you took the entry when I took it, move stop loss to true, just above true day. I would say just above where this 15-minute candle is closed. All right, open. I mean, sorry, open. So I would move stop loss to about 1.24883, something like that. If you want to be super conservative, you can move it to break even, but there's a big chance the market comes exactly what it did now and retests this zone. So we'll see. But if you want to be super conservative, you can do that. It's nothing wrong with being stopped out at break even. At least you haven't lost anything. But then you know, and then you can look for re-entry also possibly. But this is where we're at right now. So just want to see what's happening here. All right, we have a little pullback. So this one, I'm posting it right now in the chat so that all y'all that was on this live can take part of it and see it. I'm posting it in the Telegram channel. If you ain't in it, link is in the description box below. If you're on YouTube, if you're on TikTok, it's in my bio. It should be in my bio. If otherwise, DM me, let me know. Boom. Let's see, posting this one right now. Boom, there you got it. Perfect. That's that one. I will post the gold one as well. For y'all that are in that. The EJ trade is already posted since yesterday. This is the gold trade. And by the way, if you're in this one, stop loss, of course, at break even by now. You know what? I'm gonna put the stop loss, the take profit here, just to be conservative at these lows. I'm giving some room to the stop loss cluster that we have just below. Posting this one in Telegram as well. And that's it, my people. I think we're good. 2 trades, 3 if you are still in EJ from yesterday. This one, the EJ will probably present a re-entry opportunity, and I will call it out. I think we will see EJ come back, like I said, to this level here. A lot of liquidity that I wants to grab from here. And that level is one for y'all that don't see the numbers, 166.550-ish. Somewhere around there. So I'll let you guys know. But with that said, just gonna check the messages quickly so I'm not missing anything. Liz, you want me to put on like classic Beethoven or Mozart Baroque? It's actually quite nice. very relaxing, stimulating for the brain. I understand it. For your generation, it's maybe it's just a lot of noise. Things change. Yeah, that's it. Yo, Kubalai, thank you for the gifts, man. Keep them coming. Keep them coming. Support your local trader. I'm broke. I got no money. I'm lost. I need your TikTok gifts. I know what I'm gonna put on this. Norsk dansband. Norsk traditionell musik. Alright guys, with that said, I'm leaving this. Enjoy your day, have a beautiful day, and